Hey, yeah, here's Silver Black from Silverpack Kingdoms. How are you guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own mental shifting guide. Before I start, this is very hard to stay serious because the filter is making me laugh. I was looking for a mask until I get one myself. Well, it's not that bad. Anyway. Okay, so I came up with that idea that mental shifting is vital to prepare you for physical shifting, which is physical transformation from a human to an animal form or another creature form. As I and other people mentioned before, but there are so many tutorials out there, it might be frustrating and confusing, like, how the hell do you mental shift? So yeah, it can be really confusing, and the trick is to make your own meditation guide. But how do you do that with so many like mental shift guide out there? Yeah, I'm here to help, don't worry. My idea is to literally make a mental shifting guide, but like make your own method for M shift or P shift, whatever. But the goal is to know yourself better, both as the human side of yours and the animal or creature or kin type of yours. It's very simple, really. You just gather as much information as you can on you as a person, what you like, what you do, what activities you prefer, what are the things you hate, what are your human personality, what is your, well, you know, all of this kind of stuff, all the things that you hate. And I'm gonna make a list a bit later, but for now, also I will copy the code in the description so you can like just make your own list or something. It's gonna be easier for you rather than like make it from scratch. You're welcome. This is gonna save you some time. So yeah. Oh my god, this filter makes me feel shifty. That step might sound boring, but it's gonna save you so much time. So take a few days if you have to like complete your list and make notes as you go and modify them and see if you forget any details that might be important for you to shift, and do the same for your animal side. Yeah, you'll understand when you'll do it. It's just like reality shifting. You have to be closer to the person or creature or form you want to have, you want to become. This is like a very, very a big shortcut, because the most important is to visualize and like manifest the person that you want to become. If it's like you as a wolf physically or another creature, you can too. And don't worry, if you would like to shapeshift, physically shift into an animal, and this animal is like way too big for your human, you can still do it via like reality shifting, which is another type of shifting. It's not related to shapeshifting, but you can like shapeshift inside of your DR, so you could try that too, just in case you're desperate and that things do not work since a few years. But just know if you start doing that, you might have some shadow work to do. So go see what shadow work is. God, that filter is killing me. Anyway, if you are like me and you're like really bad at traditional meditation, I really don't recommend it. The trick is to find the method that you that suits you the most. I know you might hear that so often, and there's like so many of them, and you probably already tried a lot of them, and it's beep. But I'm gonna help you choose. But I think really you should try the scientific method, which is to try as many methods, or try one method, I don't know, 1 week or 2 weeks, and if it doesn't work, just switch methods. And by trials and mistakes, you will just feel which one gives you the most symptoms the quicker, which one is more efficient, and eliminating all the possibilities. The best way to start to do this is to determine first if you're better at meditating during the day, like awaken, if you're better at meditating during the day while asleep, or if you're better at meditating while sleeping. There are so many ways to reach a physical shift. And you need to find your own mental shift if you want to perform a good physical shift. But mental shift is going to make you reach the physical shift faster, more efficiently, and with less injuries, problems, or whatever could occur if you follow those steps and you prepare your brain to become that animal. You will shift safely and easier and quicker. My favorite mental shifting guide was from Short Wolf from the first Razgriz Pack website, which is now dead. It still exists, but you can't really reach it. So I'm like one of these oldies who comes from that era of shapeshifting, and I did collect all the database from all the websites to help my pack and other people around, and I still credit them and everything, but I'm gathering a lot of like methods for mental shift and P-shift. If you want to join the website to try all of these methods, feel free to. It's free, it's easy, and it's quick, and you could it could help you because there's a lot of information on that website. Everything you need to know about shapeshifting is out there. So join the community. Does that wink works? Yeah, the website is linked into the trailer video on the top of the channel. So yeah, if you suck at traditional meditation, you could still try other meditation methods or just other shifting methods that do not even require meditation at all. Making your own mental shift guide. So you have to choose a shifting type, like for mental shifting. If mental shifting doesn't work properly, you need to try other stuff, because like not everyone is good to visualize. Not everyone is good with a certain method. So if dream shift or like any other type like lucid dreaming or I don't know, anything else works better than mental shifting for you, please do it. Do not waste time into trying traditional meditation and shit like that, because it's not gonna work for you. So yeah, let's summary this. You need to make your own. How do you make your own mental shift guide? You need to gather as much information as you can. The things you like and don't, the things you are and the things you don't, or your personality. And I'm talking about both human and like creature side. And then you try different mental shift guides, meditations or methods, and you pick the ones from trials and errors, the one that suits you the best, preferably trying the methods 1 week per 1 week. Like you switch method after like 1 week or so. If you want to make your own mental shift guide, you will have to schedule yourself to schedule when you will shift the mental shift or P-shift, whatever, within the day. To do that, you need to be disciplined. You need to discipline yourself. You take an agenda, you write everything down, all the notes, all the progress. You need a notepad or something. It can be your phone, it can be anything. And if you feel any changes, just write your progresses. Sometimes it really helps, giving you some motivation to go on when you have doubts, because doubts always come back and forth. It always comes back and forth. And if you're struggling with doubts, please watch this video about doubts on our channel. But it really helps to see who you are. Like, I don't know, it's hard to describe as a feeling. When you see your picture of your animal form of what you're supposed to look like, when you read about yourself, it's like it's opening some kind of like portal or gate to your animal side, or you feel more connected to it in some way. And I have my own theories, but I don't want to talk about this today. So once you've done this, you schedule your mental shift sessions. You have to do them as much as possible daily if you want to reach P-shifts faster and quicker. Try as much as you can, and please do not do this in public, because it's gonna show. And if you do and no one notices, then you're a master at it. Haha. Oh, and don't forget, you might like mental shift into an animal, and it might be another animal into which one you're going to P-shift in the end. So make sure that you write down all of your human traits in priority, like everything that you are as a human, your personality, and the rest will follow. Don't worry about what form you're going to take. This is not really of your choosing, not the first time anyway. So good luck with mental shifting, and please watch the code below so you can use the list.